How you doing today? It's TJ from North Jersey Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're here at 470 Central Boulevard in Fort Lee, New Jersey. We are cameraing the sewer line now. We just got done snaking 64 feet to the main. Then we stuck the camera in. We could not pass that spot. We added another 8 feet to another 16 feet, and we've basically got stuck with our cable, our mainline cables. We finally got them out. We got to record on to see what is physically going on. We do know that the line is going through the backyard, past the fence, into the other property, and marked out where we were getting stuck at was in the other property, where there is a tie-in as well for the sewer that they just put in, the brand new sewer line after that. And we're going to zero out the footage once we make it inside the sweep. We are working at the 472. There is a duplex housing, and this is a 4-inch PVC line. Okay, as you can see, that is a tie-in right there that we're going into. That's from the building itself, the house. This line was all surcharged with water. We're making a left 45 at 10 feet, 1 inches in the line. Okay, so approximately 39 feet and a half, we are at the property line of the fence. We are in cast iron pipe now. At approximately 61 feet 7 inches of line, we are transitioning from the cast iron pipe to the SR. The DR35, sorry about that, 6-inch green pipe. It is making a drop. As you can see, the water is dropping down, and we're transitioning at 63 feet. Give a note that that property where you see in this PVC line is on the other, in the backyard, in the other space, the other property, where they just put a brand new sewer line in. You can see right at 66 feet that there is a large mass of debris at the top of the pipe, around the pipe, that we had problems trying to get out. And now we are currently in clay pipe, and you can see root penetration at approximately 68 feet. There is a lot of root penetration in this pipe. Possible manhole inside. You can see a lot of scale buildup right here, and you can see the connection of the sewer pipe, of the clay pipe right here. So there could be a manhole, not 100% sure, it's a possibility. We could be inside the trough of a manhole. Okay, that's going to conclude this camera inspection. That's as far as we can go with the camera.